today video, we will going to learn about data type in Python, how to convert between the different types and how the each function works. Okay. If you new in Python, this code must watch to grab your notes. Must watch and grab. You start with the VS Code, and we will going and learn something new and differently, right? So first, when we are first in Python, everything is an object, and every object has your data type. Okay, so first we understand what are data type in Python, and here are the most common built-in function. Okay, first we are we going with a definition. Uh, a data type are a classification which tell the compiler or interpret how the programmer intend to use the data, and second, the determine the type of operations that can be performed on data, the value that data can take, and the amount of memory needed to store the data. Right? This is the simple definition of data. And we understand some examples. Okay, okay, there are many type of data types we have. Right. So first we go with a 10. This is a int data type, right? Int int data type. And first, what we'll do, we select the kernel, select our kernel. Okay, this is the int data type. Second one, we are going with the float, float 19.99. This is the float data type, floating data type. And similarly, we are going to third one is the is the Python, and this is the string data type, string data type. And fourth one we are going with that is the true, right? This is nothing but a boolean data type. That is the fourth type of data type, and you want to see that type, right? So we are printing print type of A, right? Similarly, similarly, you go with the next and print type of print type of B, print type of B. Similarly, print type of C and print type of D. So, print type of C is a small error. Okay, now execute. Okay, that we will see. There are you will see that the first one is a int data with the 10 is a basically that type that is no decimal point, right? It's a basically whole number. Is a whole number. Whole number. Similarly, when talk about the second B is a floating point, and that carry a uh, decimal point. Right? Decimal point. Similarly, that string is a written in a text, right? It's a text format, uh, text, and give a that symbol for string energy. Okay, and similarly, Boolean value is a Boolean just two Boolean value. The one is a true, and second we were talking about that is a false, right? And the first letter always capital letter. Okay, so First letter always in capital letter. We can't write is a in small letter because they give a error. Okay, that is the error when you write it in a small letter, right? Is the true. Always remember that. And after that, we are see what is the string and boolean value. Similarly, we go forward and understand type of conversion in data type, right? So how to convert in a just like we have a string convert in a int or boolean and something like that. Okay, so we get some examples and exam examples to how to convert in a different type, right? So let's start with the x that we have a string 5, right? What okay, when we see this type uh, string type of x, this given strings, but how to change this string in a uh, how to change this string in a int type. So for example, y is equal to let's int is a x, and now print uh, type of y. Okay, so we for that and print of y. So give that it's a in data type, right? We are converting the string in a in data type. Similarly, we going with another data type. Another data type is let's consider the z is equal to 5. Z is equal to 10. And when we see that is data type of z. So give a int, and we are converting this int in a we are converting in string. So how would we how we that doing? So let's p is equal to str of z, and now print type of p. So we get a string, right? It is a conversion that happen. But note that one thing. Every time that not conversion are able. Okay. We get the example with that. Right? Every string not convert in a in data type. So understand with that we have a string like the name, right, and we want to convert this string into a convert into a in that type. So print uh, print str of sorry, okay name, and we carry the okay, name is equal to str of name, right, and after that print name. So this given oh, uh, sorry, that's not a int. So this give a error because this type of string not convert into a in data type, right? This is simple concept about that. Okay, so this is a we are understanding conversion of data, what is the data type, and similarly we understand only one thing now, that's the input, right? This is everything, and understanding the what is the input, what is the input feature, right? Input feature it means the function take you to input from the user, right? And for that, okay. So and it's always in a string data type, right? Okay. Uh, the the input feature, the input feature. Uh, let's 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 take input from user, right? Let's take a input from user. We start with the name and take input and enter your name. Okay, input, enter your name, enter your name, and print type of name. Okay, print type of name. So we are inputting. This is a string data type, right? Type of name when you print and you simple print name. Then what happening? Let's print Savita. So it's a take a Savita. It's using that type of input feature. Even if you enter a number, it's still a string, right? That's the important point. So if you need a number from the user, convert it like this. Okay. So okay, first we getting age. Age is equal to take input feature. Okay, enter your age. Enter your age, right? And print uh, type of age and execute that and 24 enter. This given is string as well. Even we are uh, input is a number, but that give a string value, right? It means input always give a output as a string. So uh, for conversion, we do simple task in that particular. We just write the int, right? And now clear magic. 24 enter. This now in data type. Right? This is the fun fact, and well, I hope you understand the particular